So good day everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to show you the activity number 4 in our empowerment technology subject, which is the typing test. And to pass the test, we are required to have the 30 above typing speed and the 90% accuracy. So let's see if I pass the test. So this is during the test and I record my screen while typing with camera to prove that I'm the one who's typing, and I'm only using mobile phone in taking the test. So finally the test is done, and let's see if I got the 30. Oh, I have 31 adjusted speed and 96% accuracy. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos.